Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to log into Home Depot credit card. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with and on the search URL, search for Home Depot credit card login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, click on this very first attachment that you will get to see that says Home Depot credit card login or apply. That will take you to the page of Home Depot credit card. Now in order to log into your account, on this interface at the left hand side you will get a sign on form. There, first of all, enter your user ID that you have created while signing up on Home Depot credit card. If you want to save your user ID on your desktop, you can click on this box that says remember my user ID. Now once you're done with that, enter your password. In case you forgot your password or your user ID, you can simply recover your account if you click on this link that says retrieve user ID or reset password. Once you click there, that will help you to recover your account. Now once you're done typing in your user ID and your password, simply click on sign on and then you will be logged into your Home Depot credit card. So that's how you can simply log into Home Depot credit card. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.